following you, right? What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. It's my boy Dave. Glad to have the R8 back. Man, that thing sounds nasty. Want to make that turn? So, we're just really on a mission to clean the cars at the moment. So we're gonna go, we picked up some, we got Jay Leno in the house. We got Jay, well, not him physically, but we got his product that he endorses. We're just currently trying to find a place and a location to like hose the cars down. They're dirty, really dirty.
That's looking better.
Yeah.
The wheels are a little cleaner.
Yeah.
Are we going to meet who?
David and Daniel with the
Super G.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
Are you done?
I mean, I've never washed a car before, so how'd I do?
Pretty good.
Starbucks supercar takeover. We got the usual suspects. We got Blue Beauties, David. We got our boy Daniel with the Super G. This thing is so sick, so loud. It's got a beat broke exhaust. If you're new to the channel, if you're not new to the channel, then you already know what's up, because it's right there. What's up?
Flashy stuff on mine.
How are you? Good to see you.
Likewise, man.
Sorry, I'm not wearing my Alpha hat today.
Repping this. Hey,
my boy. Sheepy.
Sheepy messaged me, he's like, hey, when are we putting those turbos on there?
When are I putting turbos on there?
Today. I was like, dude, soon.
You
I hope
should
so.
turbo.
That would be cool, man. What do you guys think?
Oh,
nice?
100%.
Can you do a spider? Set it up with a couple turbos on there?
Totally.
Just
totally.
do 2.5 turbos, man.
2.5.
2.5.
2.5.
He's subtle.
The 2.5
half a turbo cut,
GT.
half you're sitting there like, why? Why?
It's just in the dash or something.
Stack the supercharger and a couple snails.
Yeah.
What's up?
What's the plan?
We're gonna go to the, what's it called?
The Rip Around Crown.
Is it
What?
Rip Around Crown?
Rip-
You just make that up now?
Yes, it was right there live on the spot.
You go on a road and drive cars.
I think it's a path.
No! You have to make it sound cool. This is the internet. They have expectations. This is the most epic scene you guys are ever gonna see of Dave probably wrecking his car.
Is it loud?
Hey, come on out. You're scaring people. Hey, it's Amelia back in the vlog.
Oh my god, what's
We
up,
got
guys?
so many cameras. We got a camera here, a camera here.
I'm so drunk off Red Bull.
Are you really? Have a car. Oh, we got the rain crew. This is Daily Driven Exotics right here. Look at this. Look at that wet mercy.
There we go.
Oh, watch out! Hey, David, it's raining. It's raining. Yeah, hold on, bye.
You guys couldn't leave it in Canada with you?
We're gonna Super Leggera. Oh, look, he's a real man with the window down.
There
My
we go.
man.
Crazy. What's up with this weather, man?
I don't know. It's really hot here, actually.
Yeah. We don't have a choice to have the windows down.
Yeah.
That's the difference.
I'm not being cool right now. I'm just hot.
Well.
Damn it!
There we go. 3 Lamborghinis in a tunnel.
3.5 Lamborghinis, actually.
Sounds like something that would be on Brazzers.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do a 1/16th mile race.
Deal.
Or 1/32nd. I'm Canadian metric. 1 millimeter race. Who's putting
That's
your
the
money
fun
on?
part.
Who putting your ow? Who putting your money on? All-wheel drive or rear-wheel drive?
Rear-wheel drive. Oh my god!
The Superleggera hurts the worst. It's so sharp.
Yeah, it's like a point of who can break the fastest in the rain.
What?
What?
Wow.
God!
Damn it!
I'm glad you left traction control on.
It was off.
That was a cute attempt.
From now on, I just randomly yell rev it at people because it's fun.
Like, kickflip!
Rev it! In like a doctor's office. I'm talking to him like, rev it!
So if you had to choose the Superleggera, the Performante, or the Murcielago, which one would you choose?
Superleggera.
Hands down?
Sounds good.
The Superleggera is like painstakingly loud.
It's insanely loud.
Yeah,
It hurts.
It's gotta be that muffler bearing they put in it.
I'm not a tech guy, so muffler bearings, titanium valve springs.
I mean, I'm the female and I know everything about cars, so I must be right about this too.
Yes. That car has a Motec system exhaust and a standalone fuel management system. It's not a bad way to spend $10,000.
Alright, alright! So you know, this is my first time seeing the Mercy in person, like actually listening to it.
Really?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Awesome.
V12, man. V12. That's what it's all about.
Oh yeah, hearing in the tunnel, that was something else.
Oh, it just screams.
Yeah.
His got like this grumble.
It kind of does. It's like ear-piercing bass.
Yeah.
And yours is like the V12, like yeah.
Screamy. So what we're thinking is it's nice and wet. It's a good opportunity to slide the car around without wrecking very expensive 345 tires. And I've always wanted to try to do a donut with the doors up. So we'll test the surface, and then we're gonna have to stunt the Murcielago just a little bit. What do you think?
It's up to you, bro. We're gonna do this.
Yeah, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. We tried to line them all up so they look symmetrical, but we're really at it.
Oh, really?
Oh, it's close, except for the guy in the blue doesn't have to park.
Hey! That could be. It's a spider. What do you expect?
No, we like it when it's wet because it gives us like kind of different look. Because you got, see how it's parted? It's like cloud, and then like this perfect blue strip.
Thanks, brother. Take care of it.
You too.
Be safe.
LOA.
That was a huge blind spot. If it wasn't for you, I was ready to just let her rip.
I know.
That would have been a very entertaining video. Why did you stop me? I was just joking.
He wasn't recording it, but the cop goes, "You about to do donuts here?" And Damon's like, "No, you can't do donuts in all-wheel drive." I was like, I just want to make sure you do.
Yeah, this car doesn't do donuts.
God no. How dare you assume that?
And 5, 4, 3, clear.
All right, let's do some donuts.
How's that look? Pretty goddamn good.
Should we go now?
Yeah.
We should probably go.
Doors up and all.
Doors up and all.
Like a floating butterfly.
Yeah. Come on, David.
Keep up! I like this.
It's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
We lost Dave.
Well, I didn't take
Surprise,
long, yeah.
surprise. One right out the parking lot. He caught up.
You definitely made him feel good there. You weren't full throttle.
Not even like half. Alright, anyway, so it's a Lamborghini in the works for you. You got got up the on-ramp here.
There we go. Let's hear
The
this.
send-off.
Oh my god!
Naturally aspirated 6.5 liter V12. It's no joke.
Do I sense a twin turbo on this soon too?
Oh man, it's such a debate because this is the defining car for Lamborghini. It's the flagship. It's the last of the last manual proper gearbox. So to kind of with that, it's like super bad.
Definitely.
But that's kind of what we're known for, doing stuff that's out of the box.
This
And
is
because
true.
this is the triple pedal, you can do this. What do you think?
I'm speechless.
Oh, my door's open. Actually, here, let's just leave the door open. That's another cool thing, is you can drive this car with the doors open. Right? Doesn't stop you, doesn't slow the car down. You can see through corners. Hold on. This is how you can drive. Look at this. So you can see obstacles. You can see people.
I see your blind
You can
spots.
be like, blind spot. Hold on, let me shoulder check. All right, we're good.
As you're doing 80 on the freeway,
I know,
just
this-
pop open the door.
This lady right now is like, what's going on? If you can't tell, I absolutely love this car. I love it.
Rightfully so. I got in this, no experience. It's like, this is responsive, this is quick, it handles well. I mean, what do I know though? I'm a girl.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I think you know a lot more than me, because I don't know anything about motors, how this runs, how it works. Every time one of us breaks something, that's my opportunity to learn a little bit about the car. So we're just cruising at the speed limit, but listen to that motor. V12. This is not a go-kart of a car.
So I'm not sure if this has been addressed yet,
What?
but I would love to know, whose Huracan is faster, yours or Troy's?
I don't know. We're gonna have to find out. So this is a really cool trick of the Murcielago. You can back up like this.
Who needs a parking camera when your doors go up like that?
Right?
It's gonna be goodbye.
What?
Yeah, we have to say goodbye to Amelia because you're gonna go shoot an epic video for DDE.
Yeah, I'm
For the
excited
crew?
for this one.
This
Yeah.
one's gonna be cool.
Yeah.
You're gonna team up with who?
Raymond.
Our boy Raymond.
My man.
Dower Patch in the house. And you guys are gonna take Little Bo Peep in the corner there.
Yeah.
Wait,
And
what? Wait,
but
what?
you know what? When we were gone, we got a few little tiny things for some of our close friends, and I got you something. It's been in my
Really?
bag. I just forgot to give it to you. It's all the way from Tokyo, Japan.
Aww,
Yeah, show the fans.
thank you. It's an RV26 keychain.
Yeah.
Oh,
So that's from that
awesome.
crazy, massive, huge, like, I don't know what you want to call it, was the store that had all that stuff in it. Where Dave got the suit and then wimped out and didn't wear it on the airplane like he promised the audience he
You
would.
forgot to mention it.
like-
Oh, hold on. Dave's a liar. Surprise, surprise.
I'll wear it the next trip down to LA. When you pick me up, I'll literally wear my race shoes.
I
my
want
race
you
suit.
to do what I've done.
multiple times. What do you guys think? Amelia, should we make Dave drive his new car, the new one, like we were gonna the last time when the Gallardo got smashed, but straight? You've never done it straight. We've driven all the way. We drove the R8, but we always do it in 2 days because I feel like, you know, I'm being easy on you.
Canada.
Straight from Canada.
I'll do it alone.
I've done it in the 458. I've done it in the Huracan twice, and now I've done it in the Murcielago. You have yet to drive from our home all the way to LA straight. It's a 24-hour trip.
I could do it.
He's too bougie for that.
You too bougie?
Whoa! All right. Another buy Murcielago for now.
Oh! When we come back, it's gonna be twin turbo Huracan time. Full delivery. I'm super excited. That car's so cool. It's so fast. And it's the polar opposite of this. This is quite difficult to drive. Even though the Huracan has more power, it's still easier to drive than a Murcielago.
Bye, Amelia.
Later, guys.
Have fun. Have fun. That's gonna get some comments.
Bye, Amelia. We are cutting it close. We have like 20 minutes
To get through security in the whole 9 yards. Which way?
and we're off. Heading to first stop, what, Seattle?
Just made that.
We just. Well, we also stopped for food.
Like we had the time, which we didn't. Hey, we should sit down, have some food, and then we should tell them maybe a couple of hints about the new car. We still gotta figure out transport.
We do.
They wanna wait a month to get us a car, and we were like, no!
It's in Iceland.
Oh, look at this. Guys, food vlog. We've got
The BLT with truffle fries. Feeling kind of fancy up here. 1 row behind business class. What'd you get?
I had the Italian sandwich and a salad because balance is key.
Oh yeah, hit it. Is it good?
Home stretch, homie.
Oh, what's there? Home stretch, Alex.
You guys, we are home stretch. Oh yeah, Alex from GB.
the plane
That's
runs.
your favorite line. So we're in Seattle, you guys. This is our last short little hop over to Vancouver Island. We said that we would hint at what Dave's next car is going to be.
Yeah, we hint at
This is what we're gonna tell you. It's yellow.
It's yellow.
It's got Alcantara interior. It has a lot of carbon fiber.
Tons.
It already comes with a big wing.
Yes, it does.
And, well, we're not going to tell you anything else other than it's over 500 horsepower.
Yes.
And you guys are really going to like it. It's not going to disappoint. It's true DDE.
Yeah.
And we're staying true to the core of what we do. It's like having a private jet.
Yeah. Back home, Victoria. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And we are we're officially back.
Here. No, you forgot one.
Oh, my apologies. This is so awkward.
Thank you, sir. You guys, hey, another adventure comes to an end for now. Just this vlog.
Tell people to smash what?
Smash the subscribe button. You need some merch? I'm
Yeah,
not wearing
it's-
any, so look at him.
Yeah. ShopDDE.com, links in the description. You guys, thanks for watching today's video. I'm going home to my beautiful wife and my daughters.
Can't wait to ditch you.
I feel the same way.
Peace.